Class 10th subject mathematics. Today I will give examples on solution of a system of linear equations which I taught yesterday by graphical method. Yesterday I explained theoretical part of the graphical solution and I described clearly three cases there. So today I am giving one example of each case. First case was of unique solution. So I have taken the question solved graphically. 2x plus y equal to 5 and x minus 3y equal to minus 1. So from given system, equation 1 is y, can be written as y equal to 5 minus 2x. This we do for ordered pairs, and ordered pairs are clearly shown when x is 0, y is 5, when x is 3, y is minus 1, and third point is 2, 1. And from equation 2, similarly the points are minus 1, 0, 5, 2, and minus 4, minus 1. And now after plotting the graph of both the equations as shown in the graph sheet, you see that the two lines are intersecting at P point, that is x equal to 2, y equal to 1, which is common to both the lines or both the equations we see. So hence graphical solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. And when you have unique solution, you have solution, and when you have solution, we say that the given system has unique solution and it is consistent. Example on second possibility, you have to refer to my yesterday's lecture. So that x plus y equal to 4 and 2x plus 2y equal to 6 is inconsistent. Yesterday I explained inconsistent system is that system which has no solution. So this we have to explain with the help of graph. System of linear equations, as question clearly says, by graphical method. The system of equations is x plus y equal to 4 and 2x plus 2y equal to 6. So from equation 1, y equal to 4 minus x, and the ordered pairs shown are 0, 4, 4, 0, 1, 3 in the table, as well as I have written separately. From equation 2, y equal to 3 minus x, on putting x equal to respectively 2 we get y1, 3 we get y0, and x minus 1 we get y equal to 4. And after plotting graph of the equations, we see that the lines are, you clearly see in the graph, parallel to each other. And when lines are parallel to each other, there is no any solution, as given lines do not intersect. And as you know, parallel lines never intersect or never meet each other. Hence there is no solution, and hence given system of equation is inconsistent. You can't solve it. Now third example on third possibility I have given here. So that x minus y equal to 5 and 3x minus 3y equal to 15 has infinite number of solutions by graphical. Answer I have written here. Question number 3. Given system of equations is x minus y equal to 5, 3x minus 3y equal to 15. From equation again x equal to 5 plus y. Same way ordered pairs are 3 minus 2, 1, minus 4, 2, minus 3. And from equation 2, 3x equal to 15 plus 3y. After substituting the values of y, you will get x respectively. And the ordered pairs are 5, 0, 0 minus 5 and 4 minus 1. After plotting the graph of both the equations, we see that there is only one line for both the equations. As you see, all 6 ordered pairs are shown in the graph clearly on the same line. So hence the two lines are coinciding, and therefore it has infinite number of solutions. So that is the third case which I explained yesterday. Similar questions you can do from NCERT, which you have to show it to me.